The pit crews are ready to strut their stuff in All-Star qualifying.
They're going head-to-head. You've got to win to advance. Kyle Busch has won this qualifying event.
They outsmarted him and outfoxed him tonight on the pole for the big gains.
It's finally here, Stock Car Racing's All-Star Night. They all get to race for $1 million that some lucky and skillful driver's going to take home.
Race fans, settle back and get ready. The NASCAR All-Star Race live from the Texas Motor Speedway. 24 teams getting ready to go. We already know they've got a big pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. The question is, how do you get there?
And the home of the brave.
Drivers, start your engine!
Craig, when you're ready, fire and hope. $1 million, boys. Anything can happen. No points tonight. A lot of cash. Let's go get it.
Green flag is in the air, and the 2022 NASCAR Cup Series All-Star Race is underway.
Kyle Busch is taking him to the woodshed here in segment number 1.
Yeah, I blew right front. Yeah, it was big, but I'm fine.
And a big crash down at turn number 1.
Ross Chastain hammers him from behind. The car goes airborne, nearly upside down.
Segment 2 belongs to Austin Cindric.
Pit crews take center stage here for $100,000 and a preferred spot starting the final stage.
$100,000 going to the 22 bunch.
That's awesome.
Ryan Blaney powers his way to the point.
Hang on to it. I mean, I'm sure it's killed. Fog it down. I blew a tire.
Well, it's not over yet. Headed to overtime.
Green.
Whoa, Blaney cleared Hamlin, but by inches.
Needs those cars racing side by side behind him and has it.
The checkered flag waves.
And Ryan Blaney has won the All-Star Race here at the Texas Motor Speedway.
Checker flag. Did it! Woo! You won $1 million.
Congratulations and great job, my $1 million man, Ryan Blaney.
And he becomes the 26th different driver to win the All-Star Race in its 38-year history.